Crow fam, what it do, Crow fam? Crypto Tro back with another video in the books, man. Today we talking about Crow and how Crow is doing some very much so big things, and the ZK EVM finna drop, guys, in 3 days. That's right, 3 days. ZK EVM layer 2 solution for Cronos is coming out, and with this they're doing airdrops, they're doing loyalty points, so you want to participate in that to get in the airdrop. And I do believe the ZK EVM layer 2 solution will be something huge for Crow moving forward. Now when it first comes out, it might not be as big as when we hit the full-on bull market, because we got to understand we are in some crazy times in the crypto space. But if history repeats itself, or if it even just rhymes a little bit, we know what usually happens a year after the election and a year after the Bitcoin happening. And with this too, this year is so big because we now have the Bitcoin ETFs and Ethereum ETFs as well. So this is going to be a big moment for Crow and everything that they're doing. And today, man, I'm just giving some good updates on what Crow is offering and also my opinions on thoughts on Crow. But before we get into it, y'all know what to do. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget, man, turn on those notifications right now. Don't do it tomorrow. Don't do it next week. Do it today, man. Support the channel, support Crypto Tro. I appreciate everybody for tuning in. Leave those comments, leave, whatever you need to leave, man. I really do just appreciate people really tuning in. We at 6K subscribers, man. Shout out to the Tro gang, man. Tro gang in the building. Y'all doing what y'all need to do, and I really do wholeheartedly. There's a big word right there, wholeheartedly. Thank y'all for doing that. Now, enough of that. Let's get straight into it, man. Let's talk about it. Crow, where are we at today and where is price looking like? So right now, guys, we at 8 cents for a Crow, man. 8 cents per coin. Now, we are up less than 1% on the day, so not really in the green, but enough in the green. Now, we can see market caps at $2.3 billion. That's right, $1 billion, ranked 31 out of all the entire crypto space. Now, I've been saying this, Crow is absolutely a top 25 project. I did a video recently, maybe last week or maybe 2 weeks ago. I'm not quite sure when I did the video. I do so many videos, but in that video, I was talking about how crypto.com volume has surpassed Coinbase volume in a particular month. Now, we know Coinbase is the custodial for a lot of, institutional investors, but a lot of institutions have been coming to crypto.com as well. And I do believe that will lead to more people, buying Crow because of all the incentives that they offer on the actual crypto.com app. If you are holding Crow, such as the airdrop arena, where you can, stake some of your Crow or lock up some of your Crow for a period of time in order to receive free airdrops. So if you're holding Crow already, you might as well get involved in the crypto.com or the crypto airdrop arena, just for the simple fact that you're gonna hold Crow anyway, and you get free money just by participating in it. Now we can see the volume is at $9.3 million, ranked 323. And today it's just been kind of breaking even, but that gives us a better buying opportunity. Now, I always say we look at the best buying opportunities. Crow under 10 cents is an absolute steal, in my opinion, because we know where it previously went up to in 2021. And I do believe it will actually hit that dollar mark in 2025. So a lot of bullish things going on for crypto. The entire market cap for the crypto space is at $2.1 trillion, and it's ranked, or not ranked, up 2% rather. And we see the fear and greed index is 52 out of 100. So people are still fearful when it comes to investing in the crypto space. And I always like to get a general overview of the market, because it's not just Crow that is down, but it's a lot of prices or a lot of cryptos that are down from their all-time highs in the previous bull market. But if you can see, if you just dollar cost average over a period of time since 2019, if you would have bought in 2019 when Crow was at 1 cent, you will be up 344%. That's why I always say, guys, it's not about trying to time the market. It's about the time in the market. Are you investing over long periods of time? And crypto.com is one of the most secure projects, I would say. Now, anything can happen in the crypto space. We've seen multiple big exchanges fail, such as FTX, Celsius, things like that. But I do believe crypto.com has some of the brightest minds in the crypto space working on the team. And that's why I believe so much in crypto.com, and more specifically, the Crow coin. Now, let's get into some of the good stuff that crypto.com is offering. Let's talk about it. So, calling all Pepe coin fans, we are holding a massive $500,000 giveaway, so you can trade Pepe, win Pepe, and the top trader will win a pair of UFC 306 tickets. And this is possible. You can do this until September the 2nd. So if you trade Pepe, not only can you enter in for a chance to win, a piece of that pie, $500,000, but you can win a pair of UFC tickets as well. And that's what I'm saying. Crypto.com is always giving back to the users. It's always saying, okay, we have so much more room to grow. We have so many people we can add on. Let's offer things, that makes people want to trade more on our platform. And that's, I believe, one of the reasons why it has surpassed Coinbase as far as the trading volume for the previous month. Is for the simple fact that Coinbase doesn't offer too many incentives to do trades. They have some things where you can rent free crypto and things like that, or earn free crypto. But Coinbase doesn't have the same things, the ins and outs of a crypto.com. And that's why I'm bullish on crypto.com in general. Now, something else, man, trade meme coins like you mean it in the Deegan arcade. So you're all in one trading terminal in the crypto.com DeFi app. So you can discover and trade trending coins, trade on ETH, SOL, or Crow chains, view and manage your portfolio. So that gives us an opportunity to trade so many different meme coins in the crypto.com DeFi wallet. And I do believe the crypto.com DeFi wallet will achieve more adoption as more people onboard to crypto.com. They're going to start, getting in those DeFi situations. They're going to do their research and they're going to say, okay, crypto.com, I already got this app. Let's download the crypto.com DeFi wallet where I can do so many different things on there, create liquidity pools, get in the degenerate arcades and things like that. So a lot of bullish things going on for Crow itself. Now, another thing they said, we hope you're enjoying the new and improved crypto.com app profit and loss dashboard. So if you've been using it, let us know what has been your favorite feature. So they have been improving the P&L, the profit and loss dashboard, and it just shows you what you have, pretty much made or lost over a time period. Now, this is also something bullish because a lot of platforms don't offer this, and you really don't know what you lost unless you keep track of it. Well, crypto.com gives us this opportunity to really track and really see in real time what we are actually gaining or what we are actually losing. And I do believe this will help, the everyday retail investor, somebody who doesn't know how to, create spreadsheets or really track their profits and losses. Well, this allows us to do so right in the crypto.com app. And that's why I believe they're building one of the best centralized exchange type of protocols or projects out there right now, because I don't believe Coinbase does that. Now, if they do, correct me if I'm wrong, because I love to be corrected. But I don't think Coinbase is doing anything of that nature as far as showing you exactly what you made or exactly what you lost. Now, last but not least, we know Crow is doing some big things. Crypto.com is the biggest exchange that's really working, that's really putting things out, that's really pumping volume. And I don't think we have seen the best of what's yet to come for the exchange. Once we actually get into the full-on bull market where everybody is FOMOing in, where your auntie, uncle, sister, cousin, baby daddy, baby mama, whoever the case may be, is getting into crypto, that's when we're going to see, crypto.com at the top of the app charts and things like that, where it previously has been in the last bull market. So we are just preparing ourselves. Buying Crow under 10 cents is crazy. I can't believe they gave us this opportunity once again, because now if you got liquidity on the sideline, you can absolutely be dollar cost averaging into Crow and just watch that money grow and just see the benefits of actually buying in the bottom of these bull markets. Because I do believe we are in a bull market. And I do believe, 2025 will be a good year for the crypto space and more specifically for CRO. So Crypto Show, that's my video. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn them notifications on, man. We're going to continue to bring CRO fam videos, man. Shout out to the CRO fam who been following me, who been supporting the channel, who is really tuning in. Y'all are some real ones, man. I can't, explain that enough, man. If I'm adding value to you, make sure you leave us super thanks, man. Support the channel. We're going to continue to grow this channel because right now we are in one of the best times of the crypto space. A lot of people look at it as a bad thing, but I look at it as a buying opportunity. Very, very cheap. And once we hit that full-on bull market, everything will absolutely explode. So Crypto Show, I'm out of here.